It looks like it is going to rain. The weather report title on my phone screen confirmed that heavy rainfall was expected this afternoon. I should bring extra protection like waterproof jackets and umbrellas for everyone in my family today. Even the busy executive next door stopped working to secure outdoor furniture before the storm arrived. I quickly moved every outdoor chair and table into the garage to protect them from potential water damage. My expensive garden plants needed immediate protection from the heavy rain that was approaching our neighborhood. The weather station provided a sample forecast showing that this storm would last for several hours. Regardless of gender or age, everyone in our community worked together to prepare for the incoming storm. The Postal Service promised to deliver packages early before the rain started falling heavily on our streets. I watched a helpful video online that explained the best methods for protecting homes during severe weather. There was a clear connection between the dark clouds gathering overhead and the dropping atmospheric pressure today. My primary concern was ensuring that all family members had adequate shelter and waterproof clothing available. The weather forecast indicated that this would be the heaviest rainfall our region had experienced this year. I needed to collect all the outdoor toys and garden tools before they got completely soaked. I decided to inform my elderly neighbors about the approaching storm so they could prepare their homes. The basic principle of storm preparation is to secure loose objects and ensure proper drainage around buildings. The rain was expected to fall straight down without much wind, which made preparation somewhat easier. The Weather Service made an appeal for residents to avoid unnecessary travel during the heavy rainfall period. It was highly recommended that people charge their electronic devices before potential power outages occurred during storms. I trust the meteorologist's prediction that this storm will bring beneficial rain for our drought-stricken gardens. Despite the inconvenience, this rain would be wonderful for farmers who desperately needed water for crops. The flat roof on our neighbor's house required special attention to prevent water accumulation and potential leaking. It was absolutely necessary to check all windows and doors to ensure they were properly sealed. I checked the gutters to make sure rainwater could flow freely without causing flooding around the foundation. It seemed fair to help my neighbor who was struggling to prepare her property for the storm. We might need additional sandbags if the rainfall exceeded the drainage capacity of our neighborhood streets. As a responsible homeowner, I made sure all outdoor electrical equipment was safely disconnected and covered. The local farm owners were actually celebrating because this rain would save their struggling crops this season. My collection of outdoor cushions and decorations needed to be brought inside before getting completely waterlogged. I decided to hang waterproof tarps over sensitive areas that might be damaged by heavy rainfall. The negative aspect of this storm was the potential for flooding in low-lying areas of town. A band of heavy clouds stretched across the entire sky, indicating widespread precipitation was imminent. I called each relative in the area to make sure they were adequately prepared for the storm. The planned tour of the botanical gardens had to be canceled due to the severe weather conditions. We needed an alternative plan for today's outdoor activities, since the rain would make them impossible. The weather tracking software on my computer showed the storm's exact path and expected intensity levels. I found a pair of waterproof boots for each family member to wear during the heavy rainfall. Like a ship preparing for rough seas, our house needed to be secured against the approaching storm. My positive attitude about the rain helped me focus on the benefits rather than the inconveniences. Even cheap plastic sheeting could provide effective protection for outdoor items during this heavy rainfall event.